What's up, everybody? Back again with another episode of Sneaker Sundays with your boy Kemi. Sorry for the long break, but we're back today. So today we're going to be talking about the sewing awl. So this is what you use to sew the soles back on a pair of shoes. So this can be Airforce 1s, this can be Dunks, this could be Jordan 4s. So this right here is what you use to sew the sole back on. So you use this and you push this through these small holes right here. And it's the same thing on a Jordan 4, whether it be a Dunk. So today we're going to be learning how to use that. So stay tuned, check out the video, let me know what you think. Make sure to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe below. What you want to do is you want to grab that thread you pull out of the shoe, or maybe a brand new thread. So you want to make sure the edges are sharp. I'm going to cut that off right quick, and I'm going to push this through the sewing awl just like this. Then I'm going to pull it through. Before you insert the thread into the shoe, you want to pull half of the thread into the sewing awl, and you just want to push it through just like this. So remember, pull it to the left side of the shoe just like this. So when you pull it to the left, you pull most of it into the shoe so it's fully in, as you can see, and then pull the sewing awl out. So now you want to move to the second hole, and you want to push the sewing awl through the second hole. So you want to push that in right there, just like that. So you're going to push it in right there. And remember, we're going to pull this thread to the left, as you can see. Pull to the left, keep pulling, and pull the sewing awl out of it. Now you want to make a knot. So you want to push that thread through there just like that, and we're going to make a knot and tie it. So we're going to tie that knot tight just like this, and this covers the first hole. So now once we tied the knot, we're going to push this back in once again. So watch closely. So knot's tied. So we're going to push the sewing awl back in once again. And remember, as we did, we pull to the left. So pull to the left, keep pulling to the left, keep pulling. Make sure your grip is tight. So pull to the left, and you want to pull the sewing awl out after, just like that, so it comes right back out. And now you want to repeat the process and tie another knot, and make sure that knot is tied tight. And remember, this is in the shoe. So what you want to do is repeat the same process. So we're going to just put this in, just stick it in the hole of the shoe. Always pull to the left, pull to the left, make sure you have a little bit of room, and you want to pull the sewing awl out just like that. And remember, you just tie the knot to the next one over, as you can see. So you just tie it up like that, and it's as simple as that, guys. So that was the theory. Now it's time to meet the practical. As you can see, when it's an empty sole, you're just sewing and it's very easy. Now we have the uppers attached to the sole, so it's a bit harder, as you can see, because you have so much cracks and crevices you want to maneuver around to, and you have big hands, it might make it a little harder for you. So this is just a time lapse of me in a shoe I created, and this is me sewing around it, as you can see. thank you guys for watching another episode of Sneaker Sundays. Hopefully this tutorial helps you. So let me know what you think, and make sure the like button, comment, subscribe below. It means a lot for the channel. If you have any questions, please comment below, send me an email, send me a DM. I'll respond to it as quickly as possible. So let me know what you think. If you need any help, let me know. All right, I'll see you guys next week.